You're standing in a room full of people. Someone walks up, and your mind goes completely blank. You smile, you nod, you say something forgettable, and you already know it. If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. But here's what nobody tells you. You're not awkward. You're using the wrong approach entirely. Most people believe small talk fails because they're boring or they don't have interesting things to say. Psychologists call this the content error, and it's completely backwards. By the end of this video, you'll have a 3-step framework and one phrase that can turn any dead conversation into a genuine connection. It takes seconds to learn. It works immediately. In 1992, Harvard psychologist Nalini Ambady discovered something that changed how researchers think about social interaction. What people remember from a conversation has almost nothing to do with what was said. The brain processes social interaction through 2 channels simultaneously: content, what you say, and presence, how you make someone feel. Presence wins. Every time. Without exception. Person A tries to be interesting, carefully selecting topics, preparing responses, worrying about what to say next. Person B simply makes the other person feel genuinely noticed. Guess which one gets remembered? Here's the framework. Step 1. Observe, don't perform. Stop preparing your next line. Instead, notice one specific, real detail about the person in front of you, not their appearance, their energy, their focus, what they're carrying into the room. Psychologists call this focused attention. It activates the mirror neuron system, making the other person feel genuinely seen, not processed. That feeling is rare, which is exactly why it's unforgettable. Step 2. Be curious, not clever. Most people try to say something smart. Research shows curiosity is twice as memorable as wit. Ask one question that has no obvious answer, one that actually interests you. Step 3. Name the moment. When a conversation goes well, most people just feel it. You say it. I really enjoyed this. 3 words that anchor the connection in long-term memory for both of you. The tool I promised. After any exchange, short or long, say this. That's actually interesting. 3 words. They signal you were genuinely listening. They invite the other person to go deeper. Try it once today. Here's what changes when you understand this. You stop trying to be more interesting. You start being more interested. And that shift, from performing to perceiving, is felt immediately by everyone in the room. You are now someone who understands what small talk is really for. It's not information exchange. It's the science of making someone feel they matter. That knowledge doesn't leave you, but small talk is only the surface. The deeper question is, why do some people walk into a room and command attention without saying a single word? That's the psychology of social presence. And that's exactly what's coming next.